Before I introduce you to the resources, I wanted to give you a tour of navigating the presentation. This presentation was created using VoiceThread, which has a number of features that will provide for a much better experience as you navigate the resources. The content area can contain slides or videos. In the case that the content contains smaller print or details, you can use the zoom controls to zoom in and out of the slide. The zoom controls are a plus and a minus sign on the right side of the slide. If you don't see the controls, mouse over the content area and they will automatically appear. Use the plus sign to zoom in. When zoomed in, you can click and drag the content to focus on a particular spot. Use the minus control to zoom back out. The comment bar is on the left side of the content and shows an image of the person that is commenting on the slide. Comments can be text, audio, or video. Most of the comments in this presentation are audio-based, but I have closed captioned all of the audio files. If you don't see the captions, find the CC button in the top right corner. Click on this button and select the On option. After a few seconds, you will start to see the captions appear in the box next to the comment. If you want the text of the captions to be larger, grab the handle in the lower right corner to make the box taller and wider. At the bottom of the window, you will see the playback controls. At the left side, you will see the Play/Pause button. Click the arrow to start playback and click the two vertical bars to pause playback. You can also use the spacebar on your keyboard to control playback. Press it once to start, press it again to stop. In the bar across the bottom, you will see the little ball that indicates where you are in the comment. You can drag this ball around to go to different spots in the comment. If you see multiple bars at the bottom, each one of them is a separate comment. You can click on any of the bars to move directly to that comment, or you can click on the icons in the comment bar to change to a different comment as well. Next to the playback bar is a timer that shows you where you are on the current slide. At the end of the playback controls, you will see left and right arrows. These arrows allow you to go to the next slide, the arrow pointing to the right, or the previous slide, the arrow pointing to the left. One of the most important buttons on the playback controls is the two boxes stacked on top of each other. Clicking on this button will give you a thumbnail view of all the slides in the presentation. When you mouse over a slide, you will see the title of the slide pop up so you know what content is on that slide. Click on any slide to re-enter the presentation on that slide. Using this control will make navigating to specific slides much easier. The VoiceThread content area doesn't allow live links, so they have provided two different ways to access links relative to content on a slide. The first is if there is only a single link referenced on a slide. This link appears just above the zoom controls when you move your mouse over the content area. Most of the slides in this presentation will have a single link like this. Mouse over the link and in a second you will see the URL for the link. Click on the icon and the link will be loaded in a new tab in your browser. The other method of referencing links in content is used when you have multiple links that are referenced. To access these links, you will see another comment in the comment bar. These will be text-based comments, and any links in the comment are live links. This method is reflected in this slide. If you want to know how long the entire presentation is, click on the Preferences menu in the top left and then select the VoiceThread Details option. From this menu, you can also see a variety of details that I won't cover in this video. The last button to be aware of is the full screen button in the top right of the window. This button looks like a box with only corners. Click on this to go full screen, and then click on the same box with the inverted corners to leave full screen. Hopefully, this short video gives you everything you need to know to effectively navigate this presentation. I should also note that this presentation only applies to the browser-based version of the presentation, and the mobile apps version is quite different.